In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt on a Jeep Cherokee with a 2.4 liter engine, and it's located behind the passenger front fender. You want to take these 5 lug nuts off. They're 19 millimeters. After you remove your wheel, you have a 10 millimeter bolt here. Remove that. And these 2 clips here and there. These are 2-piece clips, so the center will come out. Take your pin, put it off to the side. You have 3 8 millimeter bolts. Remove those. Then you have one last one out here, but this one is missing on ours. Take your wheel liner around your strut, hang it off to the side. Your serpentine belt has a tensioner, which is right here. It's a 16 millimeter bolt. You want to put a wrench on that, pull down, and then slide your belt off. Remove your serpentine belt. Set that aside. Now it's time to install your serpentine belt. Make sure it's in all the grooves of the pulleys. Pull on the tensioner. Get your belt into that groove. Make sure your belt is in all your grooves. And that's how you put your belt on. Take your fender liner. Install that back in its holder. Put your cover back. Put your 10 millimeter bolt back in here. You have your clip. Goes back there. This is the 2-piece one. Outer, center, push in. Same thing here. Your outer piece, then your center piece, push it in, tighten your 10 millimeter bolt, take your 8 millimeter bolts, install those back in your fender liner. And don't forget there's one up top here next to the strut that was missing. Take your wheel, line up your lug holes, and put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. Snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.